Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slot. This is Armando. Welcome to the weekend. We're at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. Beautiful establishment. So if you're ever in Northeast Oklahoma, just come on by. It's a real nice place. And as for such, we're in front of Ultimate Fire Link, the Olvera Street version of it. We got $40 in the machine. We're on a 5-cent denom. This is from loyal subscribers' request from Canadian Slot Couple. They wanted the Ultimate Fire Link. Now, the Ultimate Fire Link wasn't really too great for AAZ slots. Sorry, camera went berserk on me. But I tell you what, we'll go ahead and try to get this thing situated. And I gotta tighten this baby up. Sorry for all that. Just went berserk on me. And well, there we go then. We got it now, I guess. So in other terms, as I was saying, Ultimate Fire Link for Canadian Slot Couple. So we're gonna go ahead and see how well we can try to at least get something out of this. We need 4 fireballs to go ahead and get the feature, or get these bad boys. Get 3 of those and get 10 free games with more stack wild. So let's try to get something out of this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit $2. Let's hit it big now. Be nice. These are all wilds, I'm assuming. So I was saying, this channel is for your entertainment. And if you happen to see or know of a machine that you have yet to see it on our channel, just go ahead and write in the comments section and I'll try to find it. Took me a while for a couple of these to find. And then we'll go ahead and feature it at one of our sessions. Keep in mind, we have a special $10 session coming up real soon. Come on now, 3 more, come on now. Oh my gosh. Come on, do a shaky, shaky. 2 more. Oh, I'm just missing one. Let's go ahead and let's try to get one of them. I was trying to get, come on. Oh my gosh. That was good. I just needed one more. Oh my gosh. Almost halfway done. Come on now. Just to let you all know, there's the mega, the major, the minor, and the mini. I don't care. Let's try to get the mini. Try to get something on here. Try to get a bonus. Come on. There we go. 2 more. Come on now. Oh. Halfway done. Come on. 2 more. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I tried that and he didn't want to do nothing. Come on, 2 more. Come on, don't be shy. Come on. Come on, Ultimate Fire Link. Show me. There we go. We finally got a bonus. Thank you very much. For those of you that enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up, and for those of you that are new viewing this channel, hit the subscribe button. We will totally enjoy welcoming you to the family. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and hit it and try to eliminate. We got 4 more to unlock it, but let's just try to get as many of those fireballs as we can. Come on now, don't be shy. Get the mini. We just saw the there we go. Thank you. We need 1 more to unlock it. Let's try to get the mini and get some words in there. Come on, mini, major. Minor. There we go, we unlocked it. Now we need 3 more to unlock the other one. We don't have any balls, Super Bowls. But let's go ahead and get them on. Well, Canadian slot couple, this is your bonus. Come on now. There we go. Need 2 more to unlock it. Come on, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay, we got 3 more added on. Come on. Pop it. Pop it good. Here we go. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it that it missed us. All right, we're down to the last one. One more. Keep it alive. Keep it alive. Come on. Hit it. Well. Keep in mind we're on a 5-cent denom. Well, 400. Hey, we got a coin shower. Keep in mind, you like it, enjoy it, hit the thumbs up, and for those of you that are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Join our family. We'll go ahead and do always when you guys win something, don't leave. Could have a back-to-back bonus behind it. So we're gonna do a couple of backup spins. There's 1, 2, and last one. There we go. So hopefully a Canadian slot couple. Thank you very much for your suggestion. And keep in mind, if you have a suggestion that you want a machine that you want to see on our channel, go ahead and hit that. Put it in the comment section, and I will look at it, try to find it, and put it on the next session. Hopefully we'll be able to find it. So as always, this is Armando for AAZ Slots. Take care of yourselves, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.